In this video, we summarize some other YouTube videos on this channel that you may summarize some tools and techniques that you may find helpful for the out-of-class portion of the first take-home exam. So just to remember on, if you need to check any of your plots, if you'd like to check your answers, you can plot z as a function of two variables x and y using the plot 3D command. Plot 3D, and you can plot, say, the paraboloid x squared plus y squared, or say even an ellipsoid x squared plus 3y squared, and plot, say, from x going from -2 to 2 and y going from -2 to 2. Okay, let me fix this error. Okay, and close your parentheses, and you can see this. Okay, if you want to put multiple plots together, okay, semicolon will shift enter, because there's a semicolon there, will hide the plot. And you can also plot g of x comma y comma z equal to a constant. Okay, and that would be done with the contour plot 3D. Okay, let's see. So that contour plot 3D, let's say that would be plotting a plane x plus y plus z equal to 5, and you could plot this from, say, -2 to 2, y going from -2 to 2, type here, and z going from -2 to 2. Okay, and now there's your contour plot. There's only a little part of the plane in this region, but there it is. You can hide this. You can give these plots a name, call them explicit plot, and this contour plot is an implicit plot, imp plot. And now these plots have names, and you can show the two plots together by saying plot the explicit plot and the implicit plot together, and there are the two plots shown on the same graph. Okay, so that's a summary of your plotting. Okay, it may also be necessary for you to solve some equations, solve a system of equations. And you can do all these problems by hand, but if, for example, you want to solve the system, x plus y equal to 4, and at the same time solve x minus y equal to 6, right? You could just say solve x plus y equal to 4 and x minus y equal to 6. Put these in squiggle brackets and then say to please solve for x and y. Okay, and the computer would give you that x is equal to 5 and y is equal to -1. You may find solving equations, being able to check your answers, they're helpful. Okay, if you want to take derivatives, and integrals, if you need to check anything. So for example, if you have a function of t, which is t comma t, let's say cosine of t, and then the natural logarithm of t. So Mathematica uses capital LOG for the natural logarithm. Capital LOG equals the natural logarithm. Okay. Let's see. There would be your curve, and if you want the derivative, r prime of t, there's your derivative. Okay. So that may be helpful. If you want to integrate, okay, let's say that you have some function of t, and let's say that function of t is cosine of 2 times t. And I know you know the integral of that, but if you want to integrate the function f of t with respect to t, 1 over 2 sine of 2t is the integral of cosine of 2t. Or you can just say integrate, say sine of 4 times t, integrate with respect to t, and there's your answer for the integral of sine of 4t. So you can check any of your integrals if you need. Okay, and those may be some of the the skills that you will be using on your take-home part of the exam. And here's this was a quick video on how to do those special techniques. If you'd like to see anything more about these videos, you could go to our YouTube channel, and we have lots of videos, maybe specifically at the top, maybe a Mathematica introduction, how to change the color of plots, maybe and in all these videos I often will do something with Mathematica, okay, to see more demonstrations of those. Alright, so that'll be good, and so ends this video.